Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Put it in your pocket now. Is it not true? They that borrowed, did they do the road? If I'm borrowing, I'm doing the road. I've not done well. But in any case, I'm not borrowing money. I'm not borrowing money. It's a matter of how you manage the resources of the people. Yeah, I've told you here, we are not borrowing, we are saying, bank, take 1 billion naira from our entire general revenue, give to them, every month, give them. We have no business against the country. So we are not borrowing more from any bank. You were here when the government central bank came, you know, you go look up, where you say, look, this is one state that is very, very prudent in terms of management of their resources, of their finance. So I'm not owing. I challenge any bank. I challenge any bank to say the North State government is indebted. The only money we took for agri, which central bank gave us 5 billion, as I speak to you, I have not touched 1 naira. The money is still there. I challenge anybody. What matters to us? What can we do with the opportunity our people have given to us? With the privilege our people have given to us? That's what matters to us. It's not how much you put in your pocket. There was a time in this state we had almost 100 billion naira a month that came from Federation account. The next month we got 46 billion. Why was Trans-Calabar Road not done? Why was it not done? So time has come and you must hold politicians responsible. When they tell you something, tell them that this story you are telling me that I hope you fulfill it tomorrow. Let them not say, well, I'm sorry. I didn't know how things will be. When they come now, they call you. They say, oh, we didn't know it would be like that. You tell them you didn't also know that it would be like that. The way our people were killed in 2019, in Abonima, in Asalitoro, in Akotoro, I will not leave office without doing this Trans-Calabar Road. The way we stood firm to say no, you must defend your votes. Nobody will take the mandate you've given to another person to go to another person. And that's why we say, look, if for nothing, even if we don't do anything for Calabar people, we must do this Trans-Calabar Road. At least to appreciate, to thank them that you lost your children. They killed you for nothing. Their blood will not be in vain. Their life that they gave out in defense of our votes will not be in vain. At least the sacrifice. And that is why we say we must do this Trans-Calabar Road. So I urge all of you to take this project as your own project. Something you have been looking for all through. That today in your life, it has come to stay. Please do not allow saboteurs, do not allow people who will never mean well for you to come and begin to kidnap the contractors. All of you, bring out your youth. I've told the three chairmen, if this road does not kill them, they should make sure that they protect the contractors doing this road. They should own it. If I hear that the contractors are being harassed, if I hear the contractors say they are pulling out because of insecurity, then it is you. So if you want the Trans-Calabar Road, please, 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 tell all our youth, organize them, make sure they protect this road. I've told the contractors, you must also allow our young boys and girls to benefit from this road. It is very, very important. There are people who can supply sand. There are people who can do labor. There are people who can do a lot of, from there they can pay their children's school fees. So I have told you contractors, I don't want to hear any story. And I've told the Secretary of Government, if this contract fails, it will be on your head. Because you are the Secretary to Government, so you must go back home, organize your people. I'm happy the way you came out to receive us. When they told me it was raining, I said, look, whether it rains or it does not rain, will you stop the road? They told them in Abuja to make sure that anywhere we go, that there's so much rain. And even if it rains today, we'll do it tomorrow. If it rains tomorrow, we'll do it the next day. Okay, we'll say, okay, we won't do it now. We'll do it Harmattan. It's not true. So why are you worried? It has come to stay. Transcribers has come to stay. That's nothing anybody can do again. Those things they couldn't do, we are doing it. And that's why they are not happy. We are happy. No, so. As they are not happy, we are happy. So that is our slogan for them. When they are not happy, we are happy. When we are happy, they are not happy.
As you go down, he is in us. As you go singing us, he will
My brothers and sisters, I thank you, and therefore, don't invite our special guest of honor, your own son, your beloved son. There is a gentleman who has kept us, all of us together. The party shows, you wouldn't even know what his age is, but tells you that he levels with everybody. It doesn't matter his class, he levels with everybody. And that's what they call